what kind of emails should you be sending to your email list? Now, the big mistake I see all the time in email marketing is people will start building an email list. They start collecting these emails. They send them something like a lead magnet, and that's it. They don't do anything else. And then they wonder why their email list isn't making sales for them. This is because, as part of your email strategy, you need to send regular emails. Regular emails is what's going to actually create them sales for you and make this list super valuable to your business. So I'm going to go through with you 3 types of emails that you can send and hopefully give you some ideas to start sending regular emails out. Right then, let's have a look. First up, we have advice emails. So right now, I am doing a video giving out advice about what types of emails you can send. Now, that can be an email. There's another email in this one as well. In the beginning, I explained that just having a list of people and not emailing regular is a bad thing. That's another email. Honestly, I have got so many emails just from this. This is just like gold dust, the amount of emails I have just from this one video I'm recording. I can do this bit here where I'm saying advice. That's one. And each of the other 2 I'm going to tell you right now, they're going to be it. Let's just say that you're a therapist and you help people with anxiety. What can you tell people to help them with anxiety? Give them some advice. You're not giving them the whole world and the whole answers, but you have to give them value. And by doing that, advice emails are one of the best ways you can do it. Right, let's look at another one. Updates. Now, updates are super vital in any industry. Now, any industry can do this, and some people tell me they can't. Again, I'm going to go back to the therapist and say, what updates have I got to give? Well, mental health is huge in society. There's like so much in the news and articles, and there's figures that get published, stats and things like that. There's nothing stopping you from giving an update and saying, did you know last year the rate of suicide in men was blah, blah, compared to blah, blah. I don't know the actual figures. For me, being a techie, it's quite easy for me doing updates. So like if a piece of software has an update or there's something new on the horizon or something I've been testing out, I can give updates out about that. I can say, guess what? I've just sent one yesterday about MemberVault because MemberVault were changing their pricing plan. So that's a big update to my audience because I know there's some MemberVault users, but I also know there's some potential future MemberVault users in there. So I can send out an update like that. Now, another one that we've got, stories. Stories are really good. They're really powerful. They're probably the most powerful ones out of all of these. And by this, I'm not saying you're going to read a book to anybody. I'm just saying you would actually tell them a little bit about your journey, of how you got to where you are. And it's even better if you can segue that into a learning that's relevant to your business. So for instance, I shared a story once where I lost all of my university work because I lost my memory stick. And then I segued that into, please make sure you back up. And that's obviously tech, related to tech. I could segue it into something like that. But yeah, I recently went into a surgery. So I sent an email out saying, you know what, I've been in for a surgery, but my business still survived without me. And that was because I had a team behind me and we had processes set up. So sharing your actual business journey is really powerful. And there's lots of things that you can talk about in that. So that's 3 altogether for you. Obviously, there's many, 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 many more, but I'm not going to sit here telling you them all. So 3 emails that you could start sending on a regular basis: advice emails, update emails, and story emails. Between them 3, you could easily start emailing your list weekly. Now, if you're emailing your list monthly, don't recommend it. But I'll save that for another video. All I'm going to say, please aim for weekly. But don't forget about these email subscribers. You've done the hard work. You've got them on your email list. Now let's start emailing them regular. Stop being scared of the unsubscribe. It's time to actually be a business owner and use that email list like a business owner should do. You need to build that connection with your audience, and you're not going to do it if you don't send regular emails out. I hope this video was very good for you, because, you know, I am very good at what I do. But most importantly, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and have an amazing day, everybody.